students, welcome all of you. Student, in our last video tutorial, we were reading this chapter of civics, how the state government works. And student, we have already completed the first part of this chapter, that how the state government works. So in this video tutorial, we will start the next part of this chapter. So next part of this chapter is a debate in the Legislative Assembly. So let's read this by the experience of some children. Some children like Efreen, Sujata and many other students from their school travel to the state capital, यानी कि state capital Delhi या फिर any other state capital, their state capital like state capital of Uttarakhand, that is Dehradun, and any other state capital, to visit the Legislative Assembly, which was housed in an impressive building. So the children were excited to visit this Legislative Assembly, and after security check they were taken upstairs, and there was a gallery from where they could see the large hall below, and there was row and rows of desks, means row and rows, lots of rows of desks were there, and this assembly was going to have a debate on a current problem. Means in that assembly they were just going to discuss the current problem, and the students were just going to hear this assembly and this current problem discussion. So during this time MLA can express their opinion and ask question related to the issues, to give suggestion about what should be done at the government. So those who wish to can respond to this, and the minister then replies to the question and tries to assure the assembly that adequate steps are being taken. So then what happened in this assembly, that they were discussing about a common problem of the people, and the ministers were giving their opinion on this, and the chief minister and other ministers have to take decision and run the government. We usually hear about them to see in the news channels in the or in the papers. However, whatever decisions were being taken have to be approved by the member of the Legislative Assembly. So means first of all they make a debate in this Legislative Assembly, and whenever there any decision is taken, so this decision should be approved by the members of Legislative Assembly. So in a democracy these members can ask questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent, etc. These have the mainly authorities of the people. So these are the work they are doing, like they are what type of debate? The debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent, etc. Means the money which was collected by the citizens as in form of the tax. Means the government collects money from the citizens in form of the tax, and this then after that this money used for the welfare of the country. So what they are doing in this Legislative Assembly, they are discussing and they are having debate on an important issue, that where this money should be spent. Means they were deciding that where money should be spent, etc., and they have the main authority of the discussion. So let's see what these people were deciding and what type of discussion were happening between them. So what is first MLA is saying? In my constituency, means first MLA, student, I have already told that what is constituency. Constituency is a small group and small area, like your village is also a small constituency. Okay, so the MLA one is also showing the problem of his constituency, so that their constituency also get the money for their welfare. So in my constituency is saying, in their constituency of the name of their constituency is Akhanda Gaon. Akhanda Gaon, he is talking about his constituency. During the last 3 weeks there were 15 deaths because of diarrhea, and I think it is a shame that this government has not been able to check the situation of a simple problem like diarrhea, while proclaiming itself to be a champion of technology. It would call the attention of the minister in charge of health to take immediate measure to control the situation. So you can see that the MLA one, he just put the situation in front of the government, in front of the Legislative Assembly. Then this is the term of the next MLA. Next MLA is also giving here his opinion. My question is, why the government hospital in such a bad situation? Why is the government not appointing proper doctor and other medical staff in the district? I would also like to know how the government plan to deal with the situation. So this is the next question of the next MLA. Now let's read about which is affecting a large number of the people and is also spreading. This is as pandemic. So now let's see what is third MLA is saying about this problem. MLA number 3, and he is saying, in my constituency of Tolpatti, now third MLA is also showing the problem of his constituency, that is his constituency Tolapatti too has a serious shortage of water. So he is saying that the women travel up to 3 or 4 kilometers to collect water, and how many tankers have been put into service to supply water. So they are just, this third MLA is saying that how many tankers have been put in service to supply water. So how many wells and ponds have been cleaned and disinfected. So means these MLAs are showing the problem of their areas. Now let's see what is fourth MLA is saying. I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. The government has taken steps to control the situation. Water tankers has been put into service. ORS packets are being distributed. The government is doing everything possible to help. Means third MLA number 4 is standing in support of the government, and he is saying that government is doing their work properly. Means the water tank is also supplied for the people, and the ORS packet is also distributed for the people who are suffering from the diarrhea, and everything possible to have the people is done. Now let's see the views of the MLA number 5. We have very poor facility in our hospital. So he is saying that we have very poor facility in our hospital, and there are hospitals that do not have a doctor and no medical staff has been appointed for the last few years. In another hospital, the doctor has gone on a long leave. This is a shame. I think the situation is going from bad to worse. How are we going to ensure that ORS packets reach all families in the affected areas? So the question of next MLA is that he also want to ensure that the government is not working their work properly. They are not providing medical facilities to the people, to the poor people. The doctor of the hospitals are on a long leave, and the ORS packets are not reaching into the people who need them. So MLA number 6 is saying the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. So what is the point of the MLA number 6? That the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government, and the previous government didn't pay any attention to situation. We have now taken up a drive to clear the garbage that has been lying around for years. So they are showing their work also. So you can see, student, here you can see this is an assembly. Can you identify here the MLA of the ruling party and opposition, and the illustration colors and the ruling party of the color and opposition of the other? You can see here the people are sitting here. This is the assembly. This is known as the legislative assembly. Here this is the legislative assembly, and they are just discussing about the problem of their area. So student, I already told you what is opposition and what is the current government. What is difference between the opposition and the current government? Let's discuss about it. So now let's read about the ruling party. Ruling party, they have power of making policies, and they are winning of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Okay, so they are known as the ruling party, and they came in power by the help of mostly population. Means in the election they win the election, and after that they become the ruling party. So means they came in power by the help mostly population, and they are responsible for governance, human development, and strengthening others, and they have the work upon public welfare. Okay, they have to work upon public welfare. And what is opposition party? Opposition kya hote? What is opposition? Means you have seen that the people in the legislative assembly, they were blaming the opposition that they have not done their work when they were in the ruling party. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, तो मीन्स अपोजिशन मीन्स एक्चुअली दे आर अदर पार्टीज, लोग एंड राज्यसभा, दे वर्क इन ओनली क्वेश्चनिंग, वो क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं, दे कैन ब्लेम एंड प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट and they can give pressure on their government to change its policies and they can go against government against their wrongdoing. So these are the work of the opposition. So you have seen why some parties are opposition, why some parties are called opposition and some parties are called ruling party. So students, you can say ruling party are those party who are winner of the election and they work for 5 years for the welfare of the country, okay, and they have the power to rule for the 5 years. And the opposition, those party who lose the election, who doesn't win the election, और जो जीतते नहीं हैं तो वो क्या बन जाते हैं, opposition बन जाते हैं. उनका काम क्या होता है legislative assembly में उनका काम होता है, they work in only questioning and they can blame the present government. जब भी वो कुछ गलत काम करेगी present government, तो they can blame them and they can give pressure on the government to change their policy, to change their wrong policies also. So this is the work of the opposition also. Opposition is also very important in government. क्यों important होता है opposition? Because opposition show the government their wrongdoing and their wrong policies. They can show the government to, and they can pressurize the government to change the things what are wrong, okay. So you can see that there are some opposite parties also and some ruling party. Right now students, right now in India, the ruling party is BJP and other party like Congress and Trinamool Congress, they are other opposition, they will be called the opposition. So let's see what happened. In the earlier section, students, you have read about a debate in a legislative assembly. The members were debating the action that are not taken by the government, and this is because the MLA are together responsible for the work of the government. In common uses, the word government refer to the government department and various ministers who had them. And the overall head of the chief minister, more correctly it is called the executive part of the government, means all the MLAs who gather together in the legislative assembly are called the legislature, okay. So these people who are sitting here and they are talking about the welfare of their places, of their communities, so they are known as the legislature. So they are sitting in the legislative assembly, they are known as the legislature. They are the one who authorize and supervise their workers. And as we saw in the earlier section, it is from among them that the head of the executive of the chief minister is formed. So our next topic is, student, working of the government. Student, the legislative assembly is not the only place where opinions are expressed about the work of the government and action is demanded. You will find newspaper, TV channel and other organizations regularly talking about the government in a democracy, and there are various ways through which people express their views and also take action, and us take look at on such ways that how they take the actions and how they make the policies. So students, the legislative assembly is not only a place where opinions are expressed about the work of the government and action demanded. You will find newspaper, TV channel and other organizations regularly talking about the government. So means not only in the legislative assembly, you have seen that in TV channels also, the newspaper channel also, they are also discussing about the governmental work and the problem of the people. There are various ways through which people express their views and also take action. Let us look at one such way. Soon after the decision in the assembly, there was a press conference organized by the health minister. Large number of people from different newspapers were present and the minister and some government officials were not present. The minister explained the steps the government had taken and reporter asked some questions that at this meeting. These discussions were then reported in different newspapers and the following page has been such a report. During the next week, the chief minister and the minister of health visited Patlapuram district and they went to visit the family who had lost their relatives and also visited people in the hospital, and the government announced a compensation for these families. And the chief minister also said that he thought the problem was not only one of one of sanitation but also of lack of clean drinking water. He said that a high-level inquiry committee will be asked to look into the need of the district to provide sanitation facilities and would request the Minister for Public Work to take care of the need of proper water supply in the region. As you saw above, the people in poor like the Chief Minister and the Minister have to take action, and they do not throw various departments like the Public Work Department and Agriculture Department, the Health Department and Education Department and so on. They also have to answer questions that are asked in the Legislative Assembly and convince people asking the question that proper steps are being taken at the same time, and newspaper and the media widely discuss the issue and the government has to respond, for example, by holding the press conference. Okay, so you can see that in this newspaper cutting you can see, so student, newspapers and the media and the news channels are also working as the Legislative Assembly. So what work Legislative Assembly is doing, the same work the newspaper channel and the newspaper and the news channel are also doing this work. How they are doing? They are also putting the problem of the some people and some villages in front of the government by their newspaper and by their news channel. Like here you can see in this newspaper cutting what is written here. During the last few weeks there have been many deaths in some district of our state. There has been a strong reaction that the government has to taken this seriously. The health minister explained today a press conference that this government has asked all collector and the chief medical officer to take urgent measures, and the most important problem is that of drinking water. The minister said that they intend to supply drinking water to every village through tanker trucks. The chief minister has promised funds for this work, and they also plan to start a campaign to inform people about the steps that can be taken to prevent diarrhea. And when a reporter asked him as to what steps are being taken to see that garbage that has been lying around a month is quickly collected, and the chief minister said that he would look into this. So in this newspaper, they are trying to show that the chief minister had taken the meeting and they are trying to face this problem, and they are taking the important measures to solve the problem. Also collecting these things like the garbage is also lying here, and they are also trying to throw this garbage from this place. So these are the some actions, and whenever something is some news is spread by the social media and by the newspaper and news channel, so the ministers and the chief minister have to held some press conference, and by their press conference they have to put their views in front of the common people, and they have to explain their action. They have to tell the common people that what they are doing in this problem, why they are, and at the same time the newspaper and the media widely discuss the issue, and the government has to respond, for example, by holding the press conference. Okay, so whenever there is a problem in our country and in our area, you can see that the taken the debate held in the newspaper channels also, and by this debates and by these issues government have to take action, and they have to also face the common people. They have to also explain their actions and their work, like what they are doing in this problem. So like in this pandemic, in this COVID-19 pandemic, you have seen that the government was trying and the government is doing lots of effort to make this problem easy, and to make people secure and to make people safe. But the government can also decide to make some new laws for the people, like wearing masks and using sanitizers. But when the people were suffering, the people were dying, the newspaper channel was continuously showing the number of the deaths and the number of the suffering people. So that's why government can take some important steps against this. So the government can also decide to make new laws for the state regarding situation and the health facilities. For example, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporation to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area, and it may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village. And this act of making law on certain issues is done in the Legislative Assembly of each state, and the various government departments then implemented these laws. And laws of the entire country are made in the parliament, and you will read more about the parliament next year. So students, in a democracy, it is the people who elect their representative. So what is democracy? In the democracy, the people elect their representative as member of the legislative assembly, and thus it is the people who have the main authority, and the ruling party members then form the government, and some members are appointed ministers, and these ministers are in charge of various departments of the government, such as health in the above example, and whatever work is done by these departments has to be approved by the member of the legislative assembly. So you can understand that by this the government is working. Okay.